Yo, this is take two. I am back with the market update, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to the channel. I am Tommy Ho. I'm just some random dude that you ran into on the YouTube, and I talk a lot about, just overall lifestyle and then personal finance and how the market's doing, and then what some tips and tricks that I have learned throughout my my journey within finance, and then also personal finance and just overall different strategies, for wealth generation. And then also, I talk a lot about career and AI and personal growth as well. So let's get straight into it. It's been a minute since I've done a market update, both for crypto and for the stock market. I'm going to combine both of them now, just because I realize, I'm always finding myself checking for updates for both. And so I was like, you know what? I'll just combine both of them. Usually I do a video with crypto and then just XRP specifically updates, but find myself looking at both of them afterwards anyway. So I'm just going to do all of it together and take you guys with the journey. So let's take a peek at how the overall market is doing. Let's do crypto bubbles. Let's check out crypto first, just because it's been too long. Oh, they changed crypto bubbles. Let's take a look at this. So we got the week. Oh, this looks way different. What the? Overall, look like we're doing good. It's up. For the month, we're up as well too. Surprisingly, I feel like we're still down a ton. Yeah, for the month, we're down 15%. Ethereum, Bitcoin, 14%. XRP down 12% still. Overall for the year, still down. So we're at 121 dollar cost average. That's the best way to get in. For the week, we are up. Okay, let's jump into coin market cap. So we are at fear. Bitcoin 65. I think like 65, 55 is probably going to be the range. XRP is down 121. Geez, we're almost down like a good chunk. I've just been setting up like weekly buys to the dollar cost average, so my cost basis is probably really good right now. Okay, let's take a peek at this. I don't want to see. If you guys ever want to see the white paper, you can go to CoinMarketCap. It has everything that you want to see. Okay, low was 105. It's pretty good. So when I see a lot of this, I see opportunity. That's just my point of view. And then community sentiment is 87% bullish. Okay. All right, let's do. Where's Weeble? Where you go? It was literally just here. Okay, have to go search for it. Oh, there it is. It's there the whole time. All right. Since we're on XRP, let's take a peek here. Okay. Whoa, we broke the level that I thought, 120, and then we bounced at 105. So we broke this level. I'm gonna bring down. Let's see. I think this is gonna be the new level right here. Still the range. Yeah, it just broke a little bit below, so I'm going to keep my ranges here. I'm not really going to move it. Extend this out so that way I can keep track of it. And I already have alerts, so if you guys are investing within XRP, make sure you set your alerts. Again, this is investing is anything that is 4 years and above. So when you put your money in here, that's how long you should expect to have it. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I do talk about is you don't want to invest money that you don't have, meaning this is something that you should expect to keep in a spot for like 4 years, at least 4 years. And if you want to keep on buying, then you do so. All right, so we still have to hit like the 136, 130, and then we'll be able to get to the next level, which is 160. We're still far away. Everything's very far away, and RSI is low as well too. Everything's pretty low right now. Not looking pretty. It is what it is. All right, let's look at SPY. So SPY is our S&P 500 ETF. If you're new to this, what an ETF is, it's like a fund, meaning it is a fund. It's not like a fund. It is a fund. So it's like the top 500 companies all put together, and then you can just invest into this specific fund, and it reduces the volatility, and so your risk is a lot lower because you're not investing into one specific company like Apple, where if that company does bad, then it goes down pretty hard. This has Apple in there, and so then it'll and it also has like the other 500 companies, so like one company can be going up and then Apple can be going down. Then it balances itself out. Overall, it's been going up pretty well. We are up 0.06. This is after hours. I can see that our next, this is from yesterday, okay. So 154, and then 150. And then we have FOMC tomorrow, which you'll probably be seeing this on the exact day of FOMC, so Wednesday. I'll post this up on Wednesday, doing my charting tonight. Apple's doing good too. Let's see what else. That's how SpaceX. Sheesh, look, all right, so here's SpaceX. 225. I got in at like 163, 164. Let me see. How much did I get in at? Uh, 164.95, whatever. 160. I'll just call it 165. Pretty good basis. Not bragging, that's just where I got in. So I think from my perspective, it's still speculation, right? When you're investing, it's like investing into Elon. That's my perspective. I still believe in it. Right now, it's kind of overbought, of course. But like most companies that are just starting, and this company's been out for a while, right? Now it's just IPOing. It's crazy. It made so many people millionaires. Like, did you guys hear about the janitor who got like 10,000 shares? He's a millionaire now. Wild. Okay. Hopefully you can bounce back up. We'll see. I think everything right now is just fake news. A lot of market manipulation. Let's see if there's going to be any real changes after FOMC. Things are getting priced in, so it went down a little bit just to correct. A small correction is expected. I think that's what's happening, and then we'll probably go back up. Okay. Yeah, even the markets right now is pretty green. Down 0.57, NASDAQ 0.15. Okay. All right, let's see what else we want to check out. Dang, I haven't been on Perplexity for a minute. Okay. Mark doing and XRP. Okay, let's see if I can do all of it. So all of the crypto market is mixed, but firming. XRP is near 121, basically flat on the day. US stocks are slightly higher overall, with S&P near a record, and the Nasdaq also positive. Okay, so we're down a ton for crypto. That's known. Ethereum's down too. I have some Ethereum ETFs. It's not doing so well. I was doing some covered calls, and now I'm at a hold. Let's see the live XRP price, blah blah blah. Stock market. Okay, it's not too bad. You know, like if you put in this prompt, I guess I can do this every single week just to update everyone and myself as well too. So the VIX is near 14.59, which signals calm equity volatility right now. So the VIX index is basically kind of like a fear index is how I would take it. So if it goes up, stocks go down. Goes down, then everything else goes up. Stock market is much steadier than crypto at the moment, and that stability is helping risk assets avoid deeper flush. So crypto breadth, if Bitcoin can hold mid 60Ks, and then the total market cap shrinking. XRP may have room to keep grinding higher. Okay, a calm VIX and steady equity usually help crypto keep recovering, while any sudden equity sell-off would likely hit XRP quickly. Okay, yeah, nothing else crazy. I think the only thing that's popping off is tomorrow, FOMC, and then oil prices as well too. That thing I saw tanked. But I mean, if you guys feel like it's gonna go back up, then it'll be a good time to get in for oil. All right, guys, that is all that I have for today. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. I am back, y'all, so I'll try and keep this momentum up and going, and then see how we can get more creative with some of these videos and what else type of content that I want to toss in here. So if you guys have any ideas, please comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. I accept all feedback, and catch you guys tomorrow. And remember, be kind. Later.